मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जहाँ छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज और सम्राट अशोक जैसा राजा था। मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जहाँ हर 50 मील पर रूप, मजहब और पहनावा बदल जाता था। मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया को पाया जाता था। मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जिसे अपने भूगोल से पहले इस ब्रह्मांड का भूगोल समझ आता था। Greetings everyone and happy Republic Day. Let us all get painted in the colors of patriotism today. So, today I am going to declaim a speech of one of the most youngest Nobel laureate, the girl who was shot by Talibani terrorists at the age of 16 years, who fights for child and women rights. I am talking about the unsung hero Malala Yousafzai. This was the speech given by her when she received her Nobel Prize. Today, in half of the world, there is rapid progress and development. However, there are many countries in which millions of people still suffer from the very old problems of war, poverty, hunger, and injustice. There are still conflicts seen between different countries in which innocent people die and children become orphans. Why is it? Why is it that countries that we call as superpowers are so powerful, so strong in creating wars, but so weak in bringing peace? Why is it that giving guns in the hands of terrorists at the name of religion is an easy task, but giving books and pens in the hands of innocent children for the sake of education requires a huge amount of effort? Why is it that building and making tanks for wars and defense is easy, but building schools for young aspirants and students requires a great amount of effort? We live in the 21st century and we believe that nothing is really impossible in this modern era. So, our aim should be to give every single child of this world in any corner of the world quality education. Some people will say that performing this task is impractical or too expensive or too hard or maybe even impossible. But it is the time that the world thinks bigger. Yes, my dear sisters and brothers and dear fellow children, we must work and not wait. Not only the politicians and the world leaders, we all should contribute to make education reachable to the far remote areas. Me, you, we. Let us become the first generation to decide to be the last, to see empty classrooms, lost childhoods and wasted potentials. Let this be the last time that a girl or a boy is forced to work in a factory at the name of child labor. Let this be the last time that a girl is forced to do child marriage on the name of religion. Let this be the last time that a child loses life in a war. Let this be the last time that children are seen out of school just because there is a war going on between two countries and schools are destroyed. At the end, I would like to say that संभव है सब कुछ, असंभव कुछ नहीं. संभव है सब कुछ, असंभव कुछ नहीं. कर हौसले बुलंद, मुश्किल कुछ भी नहीं, मुश्किल कुछ भी नहीं. Thank you. जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम.